How to use the free hit chip in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use the free hit chip in Fantasy Premier League. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The free hit lets you completely change your Fantasy Premier team for 1 week. This means you can bring in any players you want, providing the final squad fits within your budget, with an unlimited number of transfers. Using your free hit in Fantasy Premier League is incredibly easy. All that you have to do is load up the official FPL app or the desktop website. Tap on the Fantasy tab on the bottom center of your screen and further go to the Transfers tab. Now, remove all the players you want to get rid of and insert all the players you want to add. Further, tap on the Make Transfers button. You will now see a pop-up box. You will see the option for player free hit to make unlimited free transfers, which change your squad just for this game week. So, go ahead and tap on the Play Free Hit button below that text. Further, tap on the Confirm Transfers button to confirm your free hit. Remember that the FPL free hit rules state that you cannot cancel your chip once you have activated it. So, wait until you are completely and utterly sure before completing the above steps. So, this is how you can use the free hit chip in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.